welcome to another episode of Skid Happens.
Queensland Raceway for the last event of the year. Bought the new 86. By the way, quickly, just so you know why I got that car, sold the M3 to get the WRX rally car and was stuck without a drift car. That popped up on Pickles, really cheap, repairable write-off as well, just a couple of arms, a little bit of body work and she'll be back on the road. So it's a nice little street car that I can bring out to the drift events. We've got a lock kit ready to go in it because I've always wanted to do an 86 drift car. We will be putting some effort into that. Today we're running a drift corner. So drift corner is like a mix between drifting and motor corner. It's a set course layout. The idea is there's a bunch of little obstacles for you to go through. So I'll take you through every single part of that now before we get started.
A few minutes later.
Oh no.
I think the engine's not doing it.
Sent it. So Dylan sent it a little bit too hard today. We were discussing Toyota reliability. The irony that is Dylan's new 86.
Oh, well, it looks like we killed it. First time ever we've actually killed an 86. I dare say the oil might not have been good, or I did check the oil level, so that was right. Probably a valve spring failure. They weren't known for it, and I can't see any recall notes on this car for it, so either way, the engine won't fire up again. It was off to the last send, and that sucks, but it's okay. We'll go spend another $2.5 grand on the motor, spend a day, and we'll get it back and running again and then go and send it. But this time I'll get it tuned properly, make sure the oil is good, and get an automatic engine, which will be, you know, a bit more baby than one of these. I know this car's been driven hard, so I guess it was going to fail at some stage. It just happened sooner than I'd like it to be. So, I don't have a drift car again. Yay! It's in the back of the tub, right? Go on, bro. Go on. Hey, Goran. Pull back there, bro.
Hey, I'm talking to HR, mate. I'm doing to HR, bro. This is fucked.
Quick little one while I'm unpacking from our last weekend and packing to take everybody from skid control out to a new facility that we're testing out, and a video will follow. I just wanted to thank you all for your support this year. It's been an absolutely amazing one, the best one yet. So much more is coming in 2022. Just again, thank you very much for your support. Have a Merry Christmas and a great New Year's, and we're looking forward to seeing you at the track in 2022.
How was your day today, partying?
It's great. Yeah. need help,
Keep
please?
filming.
Yeah, what do you
Well,
need?
it's filming, but you can push. You know how heavy this thing is? You ready? Don't be jealous that you're so slow.
Yes, I get thumbs up.
Why is Paul laying on the ground? Hi.
Hi.
Jesus, look at that watch chain.
Yeah.
So what are we actually doing today? Because we never mentioned.
I'm pleasing people.
You. We're actually here in Khanacross.
They're all really pleased and happy, so, you know, I'm doing my job apparently.
Since when did you become a hoe?
Look, Dylan asked me to do things, and I do them.
$20 is $20, right?
Exactly. $20 is
Who knew?
definitely $20. I need to pay for my race car somehow.
Gotta pay for the roller car somehow.
See, this is why I don't do anything, because I got no race car to build. Good.
You've got no talent to race.
Have you seen your times today?
They have a point. They have a point. So what's your prediction?
Look, you've put a lot of pressure on Goran going, what, 2 seconds faster than him?
3.
3 seconds faster than him. He's either going to fucking annihilate us all, or he's going to just spray it.
Let's see if he cooks it or not. Turn. He's smooth for sure. So this smooth transitions to time though. So what did he have to beat? He had to beat 48.3 or 48.5 and he got 49.02. He's slower!
Wow.
Somebody's slower than David.
Wow.
Yaris number 1, mate.
Gemini number 1.
You mean the broken Gemini number 1?
I'm the only Gemini out here, aren't I? So,
Look at her hiding around the corner.
What?
Cute little Gemini hiding around the corner.
Paul, you have a reputation. Everything you touch breaks. How do you feel about that,
It's got
Ryan?
no handbrake. It's just the button's locked outside it. So it's when you park with it in gear.
So how worried are you?
Me, I'm not worried. If he crashes it, I gain myself a Mazda 2. That one.
You already have that car virtually.
That one.
On this one first.
Oh, you haven't got that in?
No, you gained yourself a rally car.
No, he's not getting the Subaru.
No, I'll take the Mazda. Yeah, that one. And that one. Slightly on the speedway ones.
Your hands are in vicarious spaces.
Yeah, I'm used to it.
It's too wide.
What do you mean?
I get both pedals.